Welcome to Mine Hub for all your Bitcoin mining developments and Bitcoin news. Do remember donations are accepted to the Bitcoin address in the description. The release of the United States inflation data on August 14, 2024 could significantly impact the price of Bitcoin, as it often does for other assets. Here's how it could play out. Higher than expected inflation. Impact on Bitcoin. If inflation is reported to be higher than expected, it could lead to a decrease in confidence in fiat currencies, especially the US dollar. Some investors might turn to Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, potentially driving up its price. Market reaction. This could lead to increased demand for Bitcoin, as it is often viewed as a store of value similar to gold. Lower than expected inflation. Impact on Bitcoin. If inflation is lower than expected, it might strengthen the US dollar, as the Federal Reserve may be less inclined to raise interest rates. A stronger dollar could reduce the appeal of Bitcoin, which is often seen as an alternative asset, leading to a potential decrease in its price. Market reaction. Investors might shift away from Bitcoin in favor of more traditional investments, perceiving less need for an inflation hedge. Inline inflation data. Impact on Bitcoin. If the inflation data meets expectations, the market reaction could be more muted. Bitcoin's price might not experience significant movement unless there are other factors at play, such as broader economic or geopolitical developments. Market reaction. The price of Bitcoin might stabilize or experience only minor fluctuations as the market digests the news. Additional factors. Federal Reserve's response. How the Federal Reserve reacts to the inflation data, particularly regarding interest rates, will also be crucial. If the Fed signals a more aggressive stance on interest rates to combat inflation, it could negatively affect Bitcoin's price. Conversely, a dovish stance could be supportive. Market sentiment. General market sentiment towards risk assets will also play a role. If the broader financial markets react strongly to the inflation data, Bitcoin could see correlated movements. Overall, the impact on Bitcoin will depend on the specifics of the inflation data, market expectations, and the broader economic context at the time. Thanks again. And do remember to follow, like, and share Mine Hub content.